Hi everyone and welcome to the Interpreter's Kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish-style stuffed eggplant dish, which is better known as karnıyarık in Turkish. If you love eggplants and ground beef, this is a great combination for you. It is mostly served with Turkish rice pilaf, for which I share the recipe, and the link is in the description box below. It's really easy and delicious and also really popular in Turkey, so I highly recommend you give it a try. I did not soak my eggplants in salt water because they were fresh, but if you like, you could peel your eggplants in strips and soak them in salt water, which helps draw out juices, which could be better for older eggplants. This also tightens the flesh, making the eggplant less likely to soak up as much oil. But make sure to rinse the salt off well. I'm gonna start by shallow frying 3 eggplants. Then I'm going to chop an onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. In a medium-sized pan, I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to saute the onions. I'm turning the eggplants occasionally just to make sure that both sides are evenly fried. Now I'm gonna add the ground beef and saute the ground beef until it turns brown. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. It could be sweet or hot. Now I'm gonna add thyme, sugar, paprika, salt, and black pepper and mix them all. We're gonna need some finely chopped parsley. Stir in the parsley into the mixture. Here I am trying to make sure the eggplants are cooked inside. And now I'm gonna transfer them into a large shallow pan. Now I'm gonna cut a slit in the middle of the eggplants and fill them with the ground beef mixture. To garnish, I'm gonna fry some green peppers. To make the sauce, I'm gonna mix 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with some warm water. And pour it over the eggplants. Now close the lid and cook it over medium heat. Oh, and I almost forgot to add the peppers. My recipe for Turkish rice pilaf is down below. The rice pilaf goes very well with this eggplant dish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will give it a try. If you enjoyed my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.